Informal assessment is a method of evaluating student learning through less structured, non-standardized means. Unlike formal assessments, such as tests or quizzes that often result in grades or scores, informal assessments are used to monitor student progress and inform instructional strategies on an ongoing basis. Let's look at three key features. One key feature of informal assessment is its integration into everyday classroom activities. Teachers can use methods such as observational notes, in-class discussions, or students' classwork to gather information about student understanding. This allows for continuous feedback without interrupting the learning process. Another feature is the adaptability of the methods used. Informal assessments can be adjusted on the fly based on what the teacher observes in the classroom. This might include altering questions during a class discussion to probe deeper into students' understanding or changing a planned activity to better align with student needs. A third feature is the emphasis on student self-reflection and self-assessment. Students are often encouraged to think about their own learning, identify areas where they feel confident or where they might need more support, and set their own goals for improvement. This can be facilitated through journals, checklists, or portfolios where students compile their work over time. Let's explore the benefits. One of the benefits of informal assessment is that it provides real-time feedback to both students and teachers. Teachers can quickly identify areas where students are struggling and adjust their teaching strategies accordingly. Similarly, students receive immediate feedback, which can help keep them motivated and engaged, as well as guide their own learning. Another benefit is the promotion of a more relaxed learning atmosphere. Because informal assessments are typically low stakes and not graded, they reduce the pressure and anxiety that can accompany more formal evaluations. This can lead to a more open classroom environment where students feel comfortable taking risks and exploring new ideas. However, informal assessments also have limitations. One challenge is the subjective nature of these assessments. Because they are often based on observations and non-standardized methods, they can be influenced by teacher bias or expectations. This subjectivity can affect the consistency and reliability of the evaluations. Another limitation is the potential lack of detailed data. While informal assessments are useful for getting a general sense of student understanding, they may not provide the detailed, quantifiable data that standardized tests offer. This can make it difficult to measure progress over time or to compare student performance across different classes or schools. If you're a university student, I recommend reading the article I've left in the pinned comment, which could help you with your studies, or writing an essay on this topic. You might also want to check out the videos on screen now that explore related concepts in education.